Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from polynomials of 10th class. The question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 6x plus k and 3 alpha plus 2 beta equal to 20, then the value of k is. Okay, let us do the solution for it. So, what we have, the equation we have, that is x square minus 6x plus k, which is a quadratic equation, right? So based on this quadratic equation we can find the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is what? Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, which is equals to minus of minus 6 by 1, which is equals to 6, right? Next, product of zeros. Product of zeros. What you will get? The formula what, ma? Alpha beta equals to constant by the coefficient of x square. So here constant is k. So k by 1, which is equals to k. Okay, and one thing also is given in the question to find the values of alpha and beta, which is 3 alpha plus 2 beta equal to 20. So 3 alpha plus 2 beta equals to 20 is given, right? So from the first one, what you can say? Alpha plus beta equal to 6. Alpha plus beta equals to 6. So alpha can be written as 6 minus beta, substituting this alpha value in this equation. That is 3 into 6 minus beta plus 2 beta equals to 20. So 6 is 18 minus 3 beta plus 2 beta equals to 20, and this becomes minus beta equals to 20 minus 18, which is equals to 2. Therefore minus beta equals to 2, beta equals to minus 2. Now substitute the value of beta in the third equation. Alpha equals to 6 minus of minus 2, which is equals to 8. Now what from alpha beta equals to k, no? So what is alpha? 8. What is beta? Minus 2, which is equals to minus 16, which is equals to k. Therefore k equals to minus 16. This is the value of k. So which option is the correct answer? Option C. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.